Welcome to Evision. Awarded by Wipro and IBM. Over 3,700 plus freshers got job in 200 plus IT MNCs company. With 100% job guarantee.
Good morning, my name is Rohit Anand. I am from Deogarh, Jharkhand. I have completed my BTech in 2015 from Electrical Engineering branch. My university is Maulana Abul Kalam Azad University of Technology, West Bengal. After that, I have heard about the Evision Technoserve from one of my friends. It is an IT recruitment and consulting company. In Evision, I had joined online full day job internship under the IT manager and administrator. I have learned about the CCNA, network administrator, virtualization, cyber security, Linux. So in CCNA or network fundamentals, I have studied about the networks, the types of networks, such as on the basis of area covered, we have LAN, MAN, WAN, CAN. On the basis of arrangements or topologies, we have the bus topology, star topology, mesh topologies, ring topologies. On the basis of models, we have peer-to-peer model. I've also studied about the different technologies like CSMA, CD technology, and the various terms like bit redundant, bit rate. I've also studied about the different networking devices such as repeaters, hub, routers, NIC. Then media. Data can flow through the media between the network systems. For the transmission of data, there are two ways. From the wire media, there are different types of cables used. Coaxial cable, twisted pair cables, fiber optic cables. In wireless media, we use radio waves, microwaves, infrared waves. There are different types of cables and their speeds, such as for coaxial cables, the speed is 10 Mbps. For twisted pair cable, the speed is 100 Mbps. For the fiber optic cable, the speed is 100 Mbps, 1 Gbps. Now I have studied about the different protocols like HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, IMAP. I have also studied about the different models like OSI models, TCP/IP models. In OSI models, there are different layers: physical layers, data link-up layers, transport layers, network layers, session layers, application layers, presentation layers. I also studied about the port numbers. So few port numbers are HTTP, the port number is 80. For the HTTPS, the port number is 443. For FTP, the port number is 2021. I have also studied about the security like firewall. Now I am talking about the virtualizations. In virtualizations, I have studied about the hypervisors, the type of hypervisors, VM creation in the different platforms. I have to install Windows 10, Linux in the virtual machine in VMware. I had also learned about the hardware resource management. This is a very important part in the virtualizations. I have done practical several times and Evision helped me a lot for this. I'm talking about the network administrator. In network administrators, I have learned the administrators, the users, how to activate the administrator account, how to disable the account, how to create new users, workgroup infrastructures, how to share a file from computer 1 administrator to the computer 2 users within a workgroup, how to give rights users to administrators, how to change the host name, how to change the IP address, difference between work group and domain, to join work group to domain. I've also studied about the FTP management, the remote management, Windows troubleshooting, disk management, hardware troubleshooting. In the hardware troubleshooting, I troubleshoot the different components like motherboard, NIC, RAM, SDD, SSD, SMPS, UPS, keyboard, mouse. Now I'm talking about the cyber security. In cyber security, I have learned about how to install the Kali Linux and the different stages of hacking like reconnaissance, scanning, gaining access, maintaining access, clearing tracks. I have also learned about the different types of threats like malware, backdoors, cryptojacking, DNS poisoning attacks. I have also studied about the different types of cyber securities like application security, cloud security, network security, IoT security. I have also studied about the how to hack the victim's computer, how to hack the victim's computer by sending the malware, and also studied about how to crack the password. I've also studied about the different types of password attacks like active online, passive online, offline attacks. I have also studied about the steganography. I have done practical on MSF console. I have also learned about the different commands used in Kali Linux. I have also learned the social engineering, the types of social engineering like human based, computer based, uh, computer based, and the uh, different kinds of threats and the different kinds of securities we can take in the cyber securities. Thank you.